Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Ledger recovery key. First, it's crucial to understand that your 24-word recovery phrase is the master key to your crypto assets. Before you begin, make sure your Ledger device's firmware is fully updated. Find a quiet, private space where you can focus without interruption, and have a pen and paper ready to record your phrase securely. Now, power on your Ledger device. It will guide you through the process of generating your unique recovery phrase. As each of the 24 words appears on the screen, write it down precisely. Pay close attention to spelling and order. Take your time to verify each word before confirming, as even a small error can make your recovery phrase unusable. After writing down your phrase, your Ledger device will prompt you to confirm it. This step is vital for ensuring you've recorded it correctly. Once confirmed, store your written recovery phrase in multiple secure, offline locations. Think of a fireproof safe or a bank deposit box. Remember, never take a picture of it, type it into a computer, or store it digitally anywhere. Your recovery phrase is the ultimate key to your funds. Keep it secret and safe from everyone, including family members or friends. Anyone with access to these 24 words can control your crypto. Ledger support will never ask for your recovery phrase, so be extremely wary of any requests. Protecting this phrase is your sole responsibility for securing your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.